This is the Eureka RapidWash 43BL. It's amazing. It's got an LCD screen that'll tell you what mode it's running in. It's a mop vacuum combo, so it does both at the same time. It's great for hardwood floors, for tile. It's got a docking station. It's got a self-cleaning system where you put clean water in the top. It filters through everything, picks up all the dirt at the bottom. It has a side-to-side mop head, which will let you get into the corners and along the sides of walls. It also has an awesome thing where hair will not get trapped in the mop. It just gets sucked up through the filter into the dirty container. So you don't have to worry about hair or string getting caught in there. It's an absolutely fantastic mop vacuum combo. Again, this is the Eureka RapidWash 430BL. This is the Eureka RapidWash 430BL mop vacuum combo. It's got a clean water filter up here. The dirty water goes here and it cycles through, and you've got a vacuum and a mop at the exact same time. So we've got a bunch of different messes here we're going to clean up. We've got milk, barbecue sauce, some cereal, dry cereal powder. One of the things that we love about the Eureka RapidWash is as you can see here on the edge, it goes side to side to pick up everything. So it's going to get in the corners, and we'll show you. You can see that some of this powder is all the way in the corners. It also has a self-cleaning mode and a self-drying mode that we'll show you when we're done. So what you'll do is you'll just step right here, and the power button is right here, and the mode button is right here. So when we turn this on, so we're picking up some of this liquid. Again, not only does it have a vacuum, you can see that we're getting some of our leaves from outside. Picking up the cereal here, the dry cereal. So I go back and forth. And one of the coolest thing is this edge to edge, side to side. So it's going to go all the way through and get your corners right up to the wall, both on the left side, and if I switch around, on the right side, right up against the wall. And you'll notice that it's not only vacuuming up all of the things that we left on the ground, but it's mopping afterwards. You'll notice that our dirty water is in here and it's filtering through. It's also getting in between the tiles and the grout. When I change the mode, give it a little bit more power. It's even more suction. And again, all the way up to the wall on both sides. So you don't have to worry about corners because the mop goes edge to edge. This does come with its own docking station, which I mentioned earlier, that has a self-drying, self-cleaning mode. Again, I'm going to try and get all this grout. You'll also notice as I'm turning that we have a swivel head right like this. So not a lot of effort to get back and forth. Let me show you a little bit on the docking station. So before you put this on the docking station, what you'll want to do is you'll want to empty your dirty water. So you just click this blue button here, pull it off. You'll notice that it has a filter right here to get any dry stuff before it goes in to your dirty water canister. And then you just pull this off all the way and empty this in the sink. It's dishwasher safe, so you can clean it. The self-cleaning mode will take the clean water, cycle it all the way through, and end up in here. So we're going to go empty this and then start the self-cleaning mode. So it'll tell you everything that you need to do once you get it on here. It'll do self-cleaning mode. You'll see that the clean water is going down, filtering through to clean out the mop vacuum. You'll also notice here that you've got the brush. And this is not just a regular brush, it's a special brush. And I'll explain why in just a second. So one of the things that's really great about this mop is it has an anti-winding mode. And so if you get hair, and we're going to vacuum this up, typically in vacuum mops, you get the hair that goes along here. So as we vacuum this up, this is specially built so it won't get trapped in the vacuum mop head right here. So let me show you. We've got this piece of hair right here. you'll see right here as we go all the way around that there's no hair that's wrapped in here. So the hair gets pulled off and sucked into the vacuum. Once you're done with all of those things, you put this into self-cleaning mode and charging mode at the same time. You're good to go. This is an absolute beast. My wife loves it because it vacuums and it mops at the same time, and she doesn't have to worry about any tangles. The cleaning is easy. The filling of this is easy. It's amazing.